Hello all, I'm here today to do a review of this product, ocean sourced Aussie trace minerals. Felt like a review was in order since a while back I was looking for a review of it and I couldn't find much, so I think I can offer a couple points on it. See, to help you make a more informed choice. If you're watching this, just like me, you are looking for little ways to, tinker with your health and improve everything, so I won't bore you with too much of a story, but I was like on Twitter watching these scientists argue, and it seemed like a lot of them were talking about minerals, electrolytes, and so I was like, maybe that will help. And so I started looking into stuff, and I chose to try this one, even though there wasn't much information about it. And I'm in the US, and this is from Australia, I guess. Because they say, and I don't know for sure, but they say that the soils and the water is depleted of the natural minerals that were once there, and that those are like essential or optimal for our health, and that now we might want to supplement with these things. And so that's what this is for. And another side note, the whole thing of living like a caveman or the Paleo or ancestral movement, I think there's a lot to it, but I just don't accept that that's definitely the way that we should be. That we don't know how they ate and acted, and even if we did know, that would not necessarily mean that that's the way we should be, or that's the best way for us to be. So take that with a grain of salt. But to this product, when it arrived with this little card, which was apparently from a third-party tester, which inspected this product for all its minerals and toxins, and so it was like very low to no toxins and high in like magnesium, and just on the back here, chloride, sodium, potassium, calcium. Well, not very high in potassium actually, or calcium, but it's got magnesium, and so I tried it out, and it seems to be good. It's supposed to be, I don't know where it's from. I mean, I don't understand it. It's like ocean minerals, but it's not. But when they sent it, the owner sent like a handwritten card. I don't know if it was the owner or some employee, but so whoever's running it probably means well, more than and that. So I think that the first point about this product is more of a vague, probably there is some like electrolyte balance advantage to it, probably. And I think that I've felt better when I took magnesium, but I take a few different supplements, plus I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I take 3 types of insulins, and I'm always tinkering with my diet and exercise and all sorts of things. And so, to really pin down one thing, it has to have a huge effect. And just minerals, they don't have just a life-changing effect. But, however, I don't want to sound too negative, because I actually do like this stuff. And the reason, so that's one hypothetical reason. There's a definite reason why it is good, and that is because simply it helps me drink more water. I drink way more water when I add some of this stuff to my water. Water is not very tasty, and unless you're really thirsty, a lot of the time you don't feel like drinking it. But we all pretty much know that you should probably be more hydrated. And so this stuff, it doesn't have that strong of a taste. But when you add some drops to a bottle of water like I have here, I have it in my water, and this stuff, I'm almost done with it. So you can tell I like it. Even though there's not, as I'm saying, there's not much taste to it. But it adds just a little bit of a drinkability to your water, which is really hard to describe. It's like, it's a bit of a taste, but it's not, you know, if you get those electrolyte drops that, you know, from other places, they have sweetener and, you know, different flavorings, and that's fine. You know, it's probably better than nothing, but, you know, I personally don't want to drink that, a lot of it. And so this stuff doesn't have much of a taste. It helps me drink more water, and that's been good. And one time I did just see how it tasted and put a couple straight drops in my mouth, and it was pretty gross, but that's not how it's supposed to be consumed, you know. It's supposed to be diluted in water. And, you know, I put it in shakes, or when I make my own electrolyte drinks, I put this in there, and I put it in a lot of my water. And I think it's pretty good. I'm going to order another bottle. And so if you know, they have that third-party testing of all these minerals, and we should have minerals, you know, and then it has helped me drink more water without having to drink, like, I don't like the term junk food, but, you know, that type of soft drink, you know. So that's all I have to say about Aussie Trace Minerals. I like it, and you know, I'm gonna order some more. And so if you're looking for something without too much flavor, this might be something you might like. And of course, if you haven't guessed, I'm not a doctor or a medical professional of any sort, and so this is not medical advice. I just watch a lot of medical videos, so I know they always say that, so I feel like saying it. So yeah, I hope you have a great day, and bye.